Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Rosenzweig from Floral Street School. And today is a pretty exciting day because you're going to continue to practice how to write an informative writing piece. Today I thought I'd show you some of the choices that you can make as a writer about what you would like to write about. So you're going to be able to choose one of these topics, and I actually found a bunch of resources and books on Epic that you can use to collect facts for your writing. It's really important when we're writing informative pieces that we have real facts that can teach our readers something. So one choice you can make is about voting. You could talk about when and how you can vote or anything else that has to do with voting. Electricity, which is pretty cool if you're into science. You can talk about how it works, or you can choose a different topic that goes with it. Hummingbirds, you can talk about what makes them unique or just about them and teach your readers about that really cool, interesting bird. They're so fun to see and watch. So I thought today I would walk you through how I do my writing. And so I thought I would choose voting. And so I went ahead and I checked out some books on Epic. I just clicked those links and I scanned through and read some of it, and I took all kinds of different facts out of those books, those 3 different books. I actually even found some more books on Epic, and I looked at those too. So the important thing is that you're writing down these facts. And as a writer, you get to make the choice how you collect your facts. You could use sticky notes. You could use index cards. You could use a piece of paper. I put all of mine in a Jamboard so that you could see them. And then we're going to kind of play with them a little bit today because I have to kind of categorize my facts to figure out what my first big idea is and what my second big idea is. So I like to be able to move my facts. So that's why I put them on sticky notes, or if I do put them on a piece of paper, I make sure to use colored markers and highlighters to kind of categorize what facts go together. So I thought what I would do is I looked at all my facts and I really saw that there were a lot about who can vote and what you vote for. So I thought what I would do is I would put these in 2 groups, and those will be kind of my main ideas. So this one is about who can vote. This is about who can vote. Who can vote. This is who we vote for. Who can vote. This is kind of like how we vote and who we vote for. You need to be registered. Constitution tells us who can vote. This is how to vote. Who we vote for. Okay, so I have 2 categories. So this category is kind of who can vote. And this category over here is how to vote and how you kind of vote and what you use to vote and who you vote for. So I separated all those. So now I need to take these facts. So however you collected your facts, and we need to put them into the pillar. So first of all, my introduction, I'm going to ask a question to hook my reader. So are you able to vote? And then my first idea is, like I said, who can vote. So if we look back here, these are all the people that can vote. So I'm going to put the who can vote, and then I'm going to choose my facts and put them all in there. So you'll see legal United States citizens, 18 years old, women got the right to vote in 1920, and the Constitution tells us who can vote. So I put those facts right here in the detail section. And then my second idea, if you look, was who we vote for and how we vote. So what is it that we vote for and how, right? So I put people who try to win an election are called candidates. people of different political parties, leaders, mayors, governors. So I'm seeing all that. So this is actually who you can vote for. I'm going to pop this over here. So what's nice about that is you can kind of move your facts around if they don't fit in one category, to put them in a different category. And then I'm just going to put my conclusion, which should go with your introduction. And I'm just going to say voting is an important part of being a member of the United States. So if you would like to write about voting with me, go ahead and use the pillar that I've attached in the learning plans, and happy writing.